Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add contacts to a list in Hubspot. Lists are an excellent way to segment your contacts, track marketing campaign performance, automate tasks, and collaborate with your team more effectively. Let's get started step by step. First, log into your Hubspot account. On the top navigation menu, click on Contacts, then select Contacts from the drop-down. Here, you'll see all the contacts in your database. Next, select the contact you'd like to add to a list. Once you open the contact profile, look to the right-hand panel and scroll until you find List Memberships. Click Manage, then select Add to List. From here, choose the static list you've already created. Once selected, click Add, and Hubspot will confirm that the contact has been added to the list. To verify, return to the top navigation, click Contacts again, then pick Lists. Select the list you added the contact to, and you'll now see the contact included there. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page, and the update will show. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.